Sawadee ka! Chef Nikki here. I'm at the Buddhist Temple of Dallas. I'm so excited to share with you Loy Krathong, which is the full moon festival, and it is one of my favorite festivals of all time. There's a lot of performances, there's food, there's culture. Loy Krathong means actually to float a krathong. Krathong is a beautiful lotus-shaped boat that we normally would float in a river that actually signifies us giving thanks to the goddess of water for a very beautiful, fruitful year for the rice harvest. It happens on the 12th full moon of the year, normally in November, and it is a beautiful ceremony. Some of the traditions that we do when we do the krathong, especially what I learned while I was in Thailand as a young girl, is we would normally do like a little hair clipping or fingernail clipping. We put it in the boat. We also put in money. Really what we're doing is washing away all our bad luck. So putting a part of our bad karma into the boat. And also when we're giving away money, we're also trying to create prosperity for us. So it is really so fun. One of my favorite things to do when I was a kid in Thailand. When you're coming to the temple for a Loy Krathong event, it's like going to a ngan wat. Ngan wat means a temple fair. And at any temple fair, there'll be food selling, there'll be the money tree, there'll be raffles, there'll be selling of the krathong, which is the floating boat, and all the money goes towards the maintenance of the temple, whereas where our hearts are. When you want to donate to the money tree, you take one of those beautiful leaves and they'll have a little area where you can put in $1, $5, $100 preferred, and you do a little prayer for anything you want to wish for, and then you stick it on the money tree. Thank everyone and everything in your universe to have beautiful, good luck, and you can move on to the next thing. So like any Thai festival, it is always about the food. The people come together for the food. On this day, there's more vendors than normal. But like if you do come to the Buddhist temple, every Sunday we do have a lot of vendors. Let's go check out one of the volunteers that are here. They're actually donating everything that they sell. สวัสดีค่ะสาวๆ Wave to the camera หน่อยค่ะ This is the Thai Women's Association of North Texas booth. They are volunteering here and also donating everything that they're sharing. And they have been planning and have over 10 options and the best food. So you guys gotta come and check it out. Okay, here is my favorite thing to eat, the roti. It's so warm and crispy. So good. I also have another episode that talks about all the vendors, what kind of food is offered here most of the Sundays. Let's go check out what else we got going on. So like any festival here related to the Thai people, there's a lot of music, there's dancing, there's a lot of cultural events. My kids are involved with a lot of them. I'm super proud. I was very proud of Sky and Knox today. And at every festival, each dance that they actually show will have a different meaning, tells a different story that's related to that particular special day. So what you see behind me is actually an empty plot of land that used to be a beautiful building that hosted our kids and a lot of the things that are happening at the temple. But it got swept away during the tornado pre-COVID, and we've been raising funds very heavily to be able to rebuild this. So depending on when you watch this episode, it might still be a plot of land, or you could actually get to come and visit the new building. In any situation at all, we would still love to take donations to help build our beautiful community. There is a donation link in the description box, so make sure you check it out. So at all of the Loy Krathong festivals, there's also a parade where we're honoring Nang Nopamat, who's actually the person who started the tradition of the Loy Krathong and giving thanks to the water goddess as well as actually Buddha. So the parade's about to start, so I'm gonna go get in. So remember, when you are planning to come to the Loy Krathong Festival here at the temple, make sure you bring cash, come early, dressed in your Sunday's best. Make sure you do also a Loy Krathong and wash away all your bad luck of the year and bring in a very fruitful year in the following.